What's going on, guys? My name is Mr. Putnam. I'm trying to make tutorial videos to help you guys out with Canvas. That's my main goal. I am only going to show one period, and I'm going to make 4 different videos. Okay, 4 different videos showing you what to do. If you are coming to class, I would like for you to watch them just so you have a general idea. But if you're going to end up doing school virtually at home, I really need you to watch these videos, because if you can't even get into the calendar or even join through Teams, it's going to be a problem. All right, I'm going to walk you through step by step. I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible. All right, so looking at it, I'm on Clever, which all of you guys already know how to get into. I have total faith that you guys can pull this off. Once you are in Clever, you need to end up clicking on Canvas. I ended up putting it under favorites. And when you end up clicking on Canvas, it should automatically open up in a different page and should log you in. Okay. I'm going to click on Courses, because under Courses is where all of your classes are going to end up being. Obviously, I only have one class here right now, and it shows Algebra 1, Period 1. So the students that are watching this video in first period, you guys are already at an advantage. All right. When you end up clicking on it, it's going to end up taking you to the home page. All right. I'm going to put 4 different videos in here, and they're going to be links to YouTube. With that being said, I'm just going to break down basic things. The first one's going to be the most important video, pretty much the one I'm recording right now. It is going to end up being the calendar video. This only will deal with students that are going to be learning at home. So those virtual students, you need to make sure you're doing this correctly on Monday. Watch this video. Watch all 4 of them. Okay. This video is going to be based off of the calendar. This is how you log in if you are a virtual student. If you're a virtual student, you need to end up going to Calendar. When you end up clicking on Calendar, it's going to pull you to, believe it or not, a calendar. If you end up scrolling down, you're going to see that you have a time slot to attend a meeting. The very first class meeting that you have is first period. I have it set at 7:20. You don't have to be into class until the class doesn't start until 7:25. All right. I will let you in. You just click this, and then it says join first period. That's all you have to do. Just so you know, this is what should be taking place in all of your classes. So if you are learning virtually, you're going to go to the calendar and you're going to click on whatever class it would be. So every day you should see in your calendar first period, second period, third period, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. And to attend it, you're going to click on it and your teacher will let you in. Once again, this only goes to the students that are learning virtually. If you are coming to class, you don't need to join a meeting, because I'll be up front and I'll be talking and teaching and you'll be able to see me. All right. If you have any questions, send me an email. Try to communicate. Focus is great. I'm going to be really big on Focus. I know Canvas is the other thing, but you guys are comfortable with Focus. Send me a personal message in Focus. All right. Once again, when you log in, you just go to Calendar. You're going to end up going to the 24th and clicking first period. When you do that, join first period. That is it. That's all you have to do to end up logging in to class if you are at home learning virtually. All right. Okay, guys, I'll see you on the 24th.